In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word to PDF. PDF files are great because they preserve your formatting, fonts, and layout, and they look the same on almost any device. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it in Microsoft Word, and then show you an easy online option if you don't have Word installed. First, the straightforward way right inside Word. Start by opening your document. Head to the File menu and choose Save As. Pick the folder where you'd like to store the finished file so you can find it easily later. In the Save As Type menu, select PDF, which you'll see listed as PDF *.pdf. Give the file a clear name if you want to, then click Save. Word will create the PDF automatically, and you can open it right away to make sure everything looks the way you expect. This method is quick, reliable, and keeps your formatting intact. There's also another built-in option that many people prefer because it's designed specifically for sharing. With your document open, go to File, then Export. Choose Create PDF XPS document and click the Create PDF XPS button. You'll be prompted to choose a location and confirm the name. Click Save and you're done. The result is the same, a clean PDF that's easy to share by email, upload to the web, or archive for later. If your version of Word looks slightly different, don't worry, the names may vary a little, but the process is essentially the same. If you don't have Microsoft Word on your computer, you can still convert your file using a trusted online tool. Services like Adobe's Word to PDF Converter or Small PDF's Word to PDF make it simple. Open the website, upload your Word file, let the service handle the conversion, and then download the finished PDF to your device. This is especially handy when you're on a different computer or using a device where Word isn't available. As a tip, avoid uploading sensitive or confidential documents to online services unless you're comfortable with their privacy policies, and keep an eye on any file size limits. To wrap up, converting a Word document to PDF can be as easy as Save As, Export, or a quick online upload. Pick the method that fits your setup, save the file to a location you'll remember, and take a moment to open the PDF to confirm everything looks perfect. That's all it takes to share professional, consistent documents with confidence.